Big up to everyone. Back again. Happy weekend to everyone out there. A lot of Ghanaian football fans are getting a little bit worried about Iñaki William, Carlson Hodoi, the players that we want on board, simply because what the GFA spokesperson came out to say about Denis Odoi. According to him, he was saying that Denis Odoi, the time that they pushing him, it took like 3 years before um, they finally got him to Black Stars. And a lot of people are raising issues in social media. Say, then if this is the case, it's not going to be possible for us to get um, Iñaki brothers and Carlson Hodoi to play for Ghana at the World Cup. And my point of view and things that I understand about nationality and the reason why Ghana, it took that long to get these players. I don't know how true is that, but for me, what I know, because here in Spain, I have a lot of friends that are footballers. I have a lot of friends that their brother are footballers as well. So when it comes to choosing nationality, I cannot say I know so much about it, but I believe that the reason why it took long, if you a lot of people that know football and follow football, Spanish football as well, a player like a Munier, that is one Morocco guy. Munier brother was my classmate here in Spain. So when he even Munier play in the Spanish team before switching nationality to Morocco. So a few things that I know when it comes to switching nationality is not that much too difficult like how the GFA president spokesperson was addressing. To me, what I believe, or the reason why I believe that make long time, 3 years for them to get these players. Some of the players are not willing to play when they are young. They are not willing to play. And I believe that this Denis Odoi wasn't ready to play because he was young by then when he was playing in Fulham. So he was still having hope and confidence, believing that he's going to get playing, he's going to get called up on the Belgium national team. So I feel like he was not giving them attention, like he's not willing to play at that time. But when it comes to choosing nationality, when the player accept and the parent accept, I don't think that there's something holding up to that even a 6 month, talking about 1 year. And the GFA spokesperson cannot guess came out to say a lot of there is not certain things that they can really disclose to the public. To my own feeling, like I don't think that it can just come out to say, well, the players was not ready that time to play for us. That is why it take long. But there is no way a player willing to play for the country that you want and the parent accept and they have to take for 3 years. No. So guys, a lot of fans that are so worried that, well, if that is the case, then we're not going to get Iñaki William and Carlson Hodoi. I don't believe so. If the players really want to play for Ghana, trust me, it's not even going to take more than 3 to 4 months if the players willing. And when it comes to Spain here, why it will be even easier for Iñaki William? For myself, I'm trying my best possible to have one-on-one interview with Iñaki William or Iñaki brother, but due to one or two things, and I don't want to promise, but I'm trying my best possible that when it comes to like here in Spain, there is a lot of players out there. There is a lot of players. Imagine Ghana. Sometime when call up come out sometime, how we normally talk, because a lot of people will be complaining, you don't call this one, you don't call local players. Imagine Spain. You know how many players Spain get? Spain have a lot of, imagine Barcelona, Real Madrid, Betis, Celta Vigo, Levante, Cadiz, Granada, Las Palmas, a lot of teams. So imagine all these teams, they have a lot of players. So Iñaki William, I don't want to talk much, but I know what I'm talking about. And trust me, guys, we're going to see Iñaki brothers on Ghana Black Stars at the World Cup. So you guys shouldn't be so much worried thinking about nationality going to take 3 years. So if it's 3 years, but it's not going to be possible for us to get these players on board. That'd be far, 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 because if the players accept and the parents accept, there is nothing to hold on. You know, I have a lot of friends that are footballers that switch nationality to Mali, to Morocco. Um, it's not that much. But what I believe, like I said earlier on, the GFA spokesperson cannot just came out to say, well, this player, we were pursuing this player, but it wasn't really for us. Sometimes when you raise these kind of things, how Ghanaians will feel. Ghanaians will feel like we will feel like the player are not, you know, loyal to us or something like that. So there is some way they will try to defend and yeah, but it's not gonna take like for 3 years to pursue a player to play. All is that the players, most of the players that born here, um, they have friends here, they live here in their lives. So most of them, when they are young, they really want to play for um, where they was born. Like here, for example, Iñaki William or England, and Carlson Odoi, and Adinkatia, all these players, that is where they spend their life. So sometimes when they are young, um, accepting that moment to turn back against Spain or England, it will be very difficult. So sometimes the GFA and the coaches will go to them. The few things I know about the players that are my friends here, and some of the family that are my friends, and they are even have their kid playing for football and all that. It's not going to take that long. As simple as that, it's not going to take that long. Sometimes the guests will tell the GFA will give us more time, but it's not about the document. It is not about how FIFA have to approve and the country have to approve. The problem is not there. The problem is simply when the players are young, they are just hoping that they will get a national team. Imagine Iñaki William now. Iñaki William now is about, I think, 20 something or something like that. So it's new that it's getting old. And when you check in Spanish, they have like a lot of players. Even most of players that you can see that they are. I'm not saying that Iñaki William is not good. He's a great player, but we still have a lot of players out there are even performing more than Iñaki William. They are not getting a national team call up. So if you shouldn't worry that maybe if that is the case, we're not going to get Iñaki brothers or maybe Carlos Mhodo to play for Ghana. No, it's far beyond that. For me, I won't come here just to sit down here to make a video because of views or because of something. I'm not saying that I must be real here and I must be honest. I'm not here to sit down to fake and or something like that. We all make videos because of views, but not because of that I have to come here and sit down here and say things that I have no idea about. No, when people even get to notice that you are just doing it because of something, you're not gonna get what you want. So guys, it's far beyond that. You guys shouldn't worry. Trust me. Iñaki William and Carlson Hodoi. I'm not that much strong when it Carlson Hodoi side, but when it comes to Iñaki brothers, sometimes when I'm making videos about these guys, I know what I'm talking about. So one love for Ghana.